Experience the ultimate luxury in your bathroom with the Niagara Observa brushed brass shower set, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Embrace elegance and sophistication with its brushed brass finish, adding a touch of luxury to your space. Equipped with a square slide rail kit, a 1.5 meters length hose, a square shower arm, and a slimline square shower head, this set offers the perfect combination of style and functionality. Crafted with a durable brass body, it ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. The triple concealed shower valve guarantees precise control over water temperature and output, while the thermostatic cartridge provides added safety by automatically shutting off in the event of cold water supply failure, preventing scalding accidents. Indulge in a showering experience like no other with the Niagara Observa brushed brass shower set. Elevate your bathroom to new heights of luxury and enjoy peace of mind, knowing that safety is always at the forefront. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara showering range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.